Welcome to Mytharchy Architecture Design Ideas channel. Have you ever felt that your home is too cramped, lacking a true sense of relaxation? City life is bustling, noisy, and full of pressure, making us crave a peaceful space, a place where we can truly recharge after long, exhausting days. But did you know that even in the heart of a city, you can turn your home into an ideal retreat? You don't need a beachfront villa or a sprawling garden. With just a few simple changes, you can transform your living space into a serene oasis right in the city. First, let's start with one of the most crucial elements: natural light. Light doesn't just make a space feel larger, it also has a positive impact on our mood. If your home has large windows, maximize their potential by using sheer curtains or transparent glass doors to allow natural light to flow freely. If space is limited, mirrors can help reflect light and create an illusion of openness. A small but highly effective tip is to choose light, neutral colors like soft white, pastel blue, or beige to keep your home feeling fresh and airy. But light alone isn't enough. A true retreat also needs a touch of nature. Imagine stepping into your home and instantly being greeted by the soothing scent of greenery, fresh air, and natural textures. You don't need much space to incorporate greenery. A few potted plants on your desk, a vertical garden wall, or even a simple vase of fresh flowers can completely change the atmosphere of your home. Next, let's explore another key element that enhances relaxation: sound and scent. A gentle melody, the soft trickle of water from a small fountain, or even the rustling of leaves outside your window can bring an unmatched sense of peace. If a mini water feature isn't an option, consider using a white noise machine or playing calming music every morning. Scent also plays a major role in setting the mood of a space. Choose scented candles, essential oils, or dried flowers with relaxing aromas like lavender, bergamot, or sandalwood to help ease your mind. With the right lighting, nature, and soothing sounds, the next thing to focus on is furniture arrangement. A retreat-like home doesn't need an overload of furniture. Instead, prioritize simplicity and comfort. A plush sofa, a cozy bed with soft linens, and a reading nook by the window — all these little details make a big difference. Arrange your furniture to create a sense of flow between spaces, making movement feel effortless and natural. After optimizing lighting, greenery, sound, and furniture, let's dive into more key factors that can turn your home into the ultimate sanctuary. One essential aspect is open space and airflow. A retreat-like environment shouldn't feel confined or cluttered. If possible, create a sense of openness by connecting different areas of your home. For example, opt for glass doors instead of solid walls to make spaces feel larger, or arrange furniture in a way that promotes easy movement. A well-ventilated common area where family members can unwind together fosters a sense of closeness and comfort. Next, consider outdoor spaces. If you have a balcony, or rooftop, or even just a small patio, make the most of it. A simple setup with a small table and chairs, a few potted plants, and a cozy rug can turn any outdoor spot into a perfect relaxation zone. If space allows, a hammock or a swing chair can add an extra layer of resort-like comfort. Additionally, material choices play a crucial role in creating a relaxing atmosphere. Opt for natural materials like wood, stone, linen, and cotton to bring warmth and serenity to your space. These materials not only add to the aesthetic appeal, but also help establish a deep connection with nature, easing the tension of modern city life. We've explored many important elements, but to truly make your home a perfect retreat, one final detail matters most: personalization. Infuse your space with touches that reflect your personality. Whether it's framed artwork, a collection of books, or a dedicated corner for cherished memories, these personal elements make your home feel uniquely yours. Consider creating a special nook just for yourself, whether it's a reading spot, a meditation corner, or simply a place to enjoy your morning tea. Ultimately, the most important thing is to embrace and enjoy the space you've created. No matter how beautiful a home is, it won't feel like a true retreat if you don't take the time to relax and appreciate it. Give yourself permission to slow down, soak in the peaceful moments, and let your home nurture your soul. So, there you have it, simple yet effective ways to transform your home into an ideal retreat. Which ideas resonate with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights. Wishing you a home filled with tranquility and joy.